Hi, everyone. Welcome to week 6. This course has gone extraordinarily fast. And before I do my week 6 overview, I just want to let all of you know how much I have appreciated learning with you over these past going on 6 weeks, and how wonderful our discussions have been, and how much I've just appreciated being able to get to know you a little bit better. So, in our final week, we're going to talk about physical disabilities, health, low incidence disabilities, and not a disability, but considered a special category, gifted and talented. So this week we are going to read chapter 14 and 15, which will cover those topics. You're going to watch some videos about giftedness and also about physical and mobility disabilities. This week, our final discussion is going to be really your general feelings about the class. What did you find that you were able to learn about that reinforced your thinking in this class? What do you still find confusing, or that you still have questions about? What learning did you find to be really essential about special education? And also, was there anything surprising, any new information that you learned that you thought was really interesting that you didn't know about before the class? Feel free to do this with a traditional written post, or if you would like, you are welcome to record a post just like I'm doing right now for your final post. For your first assignment, you should have been planning this over the course of these past 6 weeks, a 1-hour observation in a public school, early childhood, or elementary school. Your observation should be in a pre-K through 6th grade classroom, and there should be at least one student receiving special education. Please use the BayPath observation form. The link is with the assignment, and I look forward to hearing all about your observations. Your final assignment for this course is really looking at one of the disability categories. So pick one of the 13 disability categories, and I want you to be able to do look at our book, think about everything that we've learned in the class so far, and do some additional research. Think about the background, the history, what, and in my directions, I refer to seminal research. So what is the really foundational research for this disability category you've chosen? And then really talk about accommodations and modifications that would benefit a child that was identified in this category. You are welcome to write a paper, make sure you use APA format, or you are welcome to do a presentation. Make sure that if you use PowerPoint or Prezi or any of those kinds of presentation kinds of apps, that it also includes a voiceover. Or you can do a video, and just make sure that it is clear and easy to understand, and that you also include a reference page. Please make sure that all of your work is in by Saturday at midnight. I can't accept any late work for week 6 because I have a crunch to be able to get all of these assignments graded and into the registrar in just a few days. If you have any questions or issues with regard to these final assignments, drop me a line. I'd be happy to have a conversation with you. Otherwise, I look forward to our final discussion, and I also look forward to reading your final papers. One last thing I would like to ask you, though, is when you have the link for the course evaluation, please make sure that you are able to give me some feedback. It's anonymous. It's very important to me, just like I think it's important to give you feedback on your assignments. It's really important to me to get feedback from you. So when I teach this course, I can be a better instructor and I can improve the class. So thanks again. I'll thank you in advance for doing that. I really appreciate it. It was great getting to meet all of you, and be well. Look forward to reading all of your assignments. Take care.